So Ulefone has quietly announced the X32 Pro, the success of the Ulefone X31 Pro. So in this video, I'll explore the top features of this device and I'll compare the X31 Pro with the X32 Pro in a separate video. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Anyways, without further ado, let's explore the top features of the Ulefone Armor X32 Pro.
If your phone looks like it's been through a war zone, you need the Ulefone Armor X32 Pro. Let's dive in. First off, the display. The 5.65-inch IPS screen packs in 720 x 1440 resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling, and guess what? It's protected by Gorilla Glass 5, so those accidental drops won't phase it. Now the rugged credentials. With IP69K and MIL STD 810H certifications, this phone laughs in the face of dust, water, and drops. Seriously, it's built like a tank. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset paired with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Got more stuff? Expanded up to 2 TB with a microSD card. Plus, it's 5G ready, so you're future-proofed. The camera setup? A 64MP main shooter, a 25MP night vision camera, and a 2MP macro lens. Night owls and adventurers rejoice. The 16MP front camera, though, lacks flash and autofocus. Selfie lovers, you've been warned. Battery life? Massive 5,500 mAh with 18W fast charging, GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, Galileo, navigation's got you covered. And let's not forget it's running Android 14 with the latest features. Convenience? Side-mounted fingerprint scanner, NFC, USB Type-C, all the modern bells and whistles. So is the Ulefone Armor X32 Pro the toughest phone yet? You bet. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, construction workers, and anyone needing a phone that can take a beating. Just don't expect perfect selfies.